Hey guys, this is Ryan at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to unassign jobs from a production card in Inksoft. So in the case that there are two different designs and they accidentally get set to the same production card, all you're going to do is you're going to go into jobs here. You're going to locate the job that you would like to unassign all of the products from that production card. And then you're going to click on these three dots right here, and we're going to delete the job. And now you need to check all of these, so just make sure that if there's any notes or uploaded attachments that you copy it somewhere else if you want to put it back in. So now we're going to delete the job, and now all of those products come back over here, and it does separate it by artwork. So now we could go in and create new production cards for each separate artwork. Thanks for watching.